son of a gun with 16, bite the bullet. My style, Russian roulette. Just be careful when you pull it. I had to pull some strings, I wish they was over acoustics. My flow stupid, doofus, I'm the blueprint. The twins is a pair, but I'm a 2 for 1. This the moon and the sun. Frank Castle and Big Pun, your punishment's begun. My split personality, split for fun. The man in the mirror told me to pick a side. I got a different side, like a Gemini inside. Lift the bridge to the other side. Follow me down the rabbit hole where I had to walk on faith, just like the yellow brick. Click, click in your heels, won't get you back home when I come home. So bring it on, you rap leavers. Say your loved ones ride like Felicia. I was being eat before I got a beat. Now I shine down on them like the sun in Costa Rica. We glorify two seekers. Yo soy el niño de oro, negro y latino. Here for the people, colombiano y africano. They heaps if I own with a golden heart. At the foot deep for the gang, I go to bat. Yo, where's Bruce Wayne? Strike me out as a lane in real life. The chains on the neck don't connect with the main frame. The source, the fake gon' force a refrain. When I pull up, pop out, say the name on coast. Do my little thing with a flame on coast. I can give a damn about the fame. I pull the card anywhere, I'm taking blame on them. You think I'm the type? Nope, elite. Don't type, no retweet. I'm on elite. In your PC, you and yours PC. You never met the guy MC until now it was all BC. I'm not gonna push a P, I'm not pushing T, but I will push a T with your face on the double XL while my team's on the cover of the double XL magazine. This is
Dancekool versus Steve's Head. I've got to say that was pretty dope, man.
Yep, it's
Style, power, and also great examples of using the song, man.
Yep.
Everything you need. All right, who's going to go through? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Who is it?
Great Jigger.